If you are not all aware, he is our resident pathologist here at NKTI. But did you also know his parents, Dr. Coralie Di Macali, is a nephrologist, as well as his father